I am a civil engineer.
3, 2, 1, blast off! I am a rocket scientist.
I am a furniture maker.
I am a mechanical engineer.
I am a roboticist.
I am a computer programmer.
Rokenbok education gives students the skills and confidence to change the world. Rokenbok education spans from building blocks to programmable robotics. With Rokenbok, even young children can learn important concepts about design and engineering. They start by learning to read step-by-step plans, and soon move on to more complex models. The scale of Rokenbok is large and easy to handle. Soon children are creating their own designs, like this semi-truck.
Excellent! What can we do to make this a bit stronger?
Braces?
Braces, exactly.
Rokenbok teaches kids how to make things strong and how to make things move. Here, this build spins with gears and is reinforced with braces.
And look at that, nice and strong.
Now everyone demonstrate to me how their machine utilizes a mechanical advantage.
Students continue to work with Rokenbok's system as their learning continues. They can move on to simple machines and mechanical advantage, as well as more complex machine designs and advanced mechanisms. Rokenbok also makes an ideal learning environment for teaching 3D printing and computer-aided design. Here, students are creating a propeller for their airplane, using mostly prefabricated parts and then focusing on engineering one really cool new part for the Rokenbok system.
That is cool.
Perfect.
All of the elements in the Rokenbok system are available to be uploaded into a CAD program to be modified and printed by students.
Are we ready to upload the script? Yes, I think we're ready to test the sensors.
Wow, you guys are really coming along. Can you explain to me the different sensors in the build?
First, I'm going to turn on the Make a Rock bot. Now I'm going to activate this bump sensor, which will lead to the pulley that lowers the sign down.
I have a motor module here.
Right, exactly. And so the sign will then break the IR sensor, which leads the robot to move all the way back and hit the bump sensor, leading the sign to move all the way back to the top, which will then break the proximity sensors up
You have a second one.
Right,
Okay.
or the other one. And finally, to make the rock bot move back up.
Really fantastic work, guys. This is a really impressive project. Good job.
Thank you, it was so much fun.
Rokenbok is delivered to the classroom and mobile STEM labs, easily transported sets with carefully curated parts. Mobile STEM labs are organized into modules to support teams of students. A team module is easily detached from the rolling base and delivered to a student team. It snaps back into place when the lesson is over. Every stage of a student's Rokenbok journey is supported by STEM Maker curriculum, which combines traditional STEM content with a maker's experience of design, make, play. From building blocks to programmable robotics, Rokenbok gives young minds the skills and confidence to change the world.